milk candy processing equipment, processing process, and chocolate candy production line technology introduction. Raw material preparation. The main raw materials include granulated sugar, fresh milk, butter or vegetable oil, essence, etc. These ingredients are mixed in a certain proportion. Boil and mix. The mixed raw materials are heated to the melting state to form the milk candy base liquid. Temperature and time are controlled to ensure the liquid is evenly mixed. Solidification and cutting. Pour the cream base into the prepared mold and let the liquid set. Then the coagulated candy bar is cut to form the desired size of candy bar. Packaging. The cut candy bar is packaged by the packaging line, usually in a packaging bag or box. Ensure that the packaging is sealed to maintain the freshness and taste of the cream candies. Chocolate candy production line. Technology and equipment. Production lines for the production of chocolate confectionery usually include chocolate melting and temperature control equipment, forming machines, coating equipment, cooling belts, decoration equipment, and packaging lines. These devices ensure quality manufacturing and beautiful packaging of chocolate confectionery.